Hi guys, this is One Arm Wanderer. So we're currently here in Club Paradise Palawan. Actually, it's our second day here. We had to extend because we really love the place. Okay, so let's take a room tour of our garden suite room here in Club Paradise. Okay, so here's our room here in Club Paradise. So there is a dinette set. Okay, so let's check out the room. Okay, so the room is, of course, as expected, very clean and very neat. It's very beautiful. Okay, so there's a work area here if you're bringing work here in Club Paradise Palawan. And there's a king-size bed. Okay, as what I've said earlier, this is our second night here in Club Paradise and the bed is very comfortable. Okay, along with the goose down pillows. Okay, so the room comes with an LCD TV, and if you love reading, there are books in here. So there are the books. Okay, and there are also magazines. Okay, so we're having garden suite room for our second night here in Club Paradise. So this is the view from the room. Okay, this is just few meters away from the beach. Okay, so again, this is our room here in Club Paradise Palawan. Okay, so there's complimentary sunblock here for face and off lotion, anti-mosquito. Okay, so here's the letter from the hotel manager, and Club Paradise is also eco-friendly. Okay, so if you check in here, you have here a beach bag. Okay, it's very big actually. Okay, so our room this time is nicer because it has a balcony in here, a private balcony. Okay, but let's first check out the toilet and bath. Okay, so here's the toilet and bath here in our room. It's very clean, it's very neat. Okay, there's hot and cold shower, of course, shampoo and shower gel are provided. Okay, along with the basic toiletries with Club Paradise Palawan branding, toothbrush, shower cap, and there are also Q-tips in here and cottons. Okay, so what's unique about the room here is that they provide loofah. Okay, there's the loofah. Okay, there's hand sanitizer, soap, and there's hair dryer. There are the towels. Okay, toilet paper. There's a toilet bowl. Okay, so here's the toilet and bath here in Club Paradise Palawan Garden Suite Room. Okay, so they also do provide coffee maker in here. Then there's an electric kettle. Of course, tons of coffee, white sugar and creamer. Okay, and as what I've said, Club Paradise Palawan is eco-friendly, so they provide pure still water, and they also do have snacks here and liquor, packet size liquor. Okay, so here's the mini bar, the prices. Okay, and the room also comes with a mini refrigerator. So there's a mini refrigerator with sodas, beer, and water. So let's take a bottle of water here. Pure still water, Discovery Resort. Okay. So let's put one water in the refrigerator. Okay, so here's our room. here in Club Paradise Palawan. Okay? So if you're planning to visit Coron Palawan, I would highly recommend staying here in Club Paradise Palawan. Again, this is One Arm Wanderer. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.